friends. Today we're going to learn how to multiply mixed numbers. To multiply mixed numbers, first write the mixed number as improper fraction, then multiply as with fractions. Let us see some examples. Find 1/3 times 1 3/4 and write in simplest form. So, here we have a fraction and here we have a mixed number. The fraction, I will not change it, I will keep it as it is, 1/3. Multiplied by, here's the mixed number, I should make it as improper fraction. And to do this, we multiply the whole number times the denominator. So multiply 1 times 4 equals 4. And then we add to it the numerator. So 4 plus 3 is 7 over 4. Then we multiply normally as with fractions. Now you have two fractions multiplied by each other. First, you can see if you can simplify any number from the numerator with any number with the denominator. If any, no, 1 and 7 cannot be simplified with 3 and 4. So you will just multiply 1 times 7 equals 7 and 3 times 4 equals 12. And of course, this is already in the simplest form. Another example. Find 5 1/2 times 1/3. Write in simplest form. Again, here you have a mixed number and here you have a fraction. So this mixed number I will multiply to make it improper fraction. I'll multiply the whole number times the denominator, then I add the numerator. Again, 5 times 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11 over 2, multiplied by the fraction 1 over 3. Again, can we simplify any number from the numerator with the denominator? We do not have any common factor between 11 and 3 or 2. So we'll just multiply 11 times 1 equals 11 and 2 times 3 equals 6. This is in the simplest form, but it is improper fraction as you see because the numerator is greater than the denominator. So to make it a mixed number, we will divide, okay, I'll make here a draft. I'll divide 11 divided by 6. 11 divided by 6 equals 1. 1 times 6 is 6 and the remainder is 5. So this is a mixed number as this 1 is the quotient. I write it as the whole number part. And the 5, which is the remainder, I write it as the numerator and the denominator 6 as it is. So the final answer will be 1 and 5/6. Another example. Find 1 7/8 times 3 and 1/3 and write in simplest form. Here you have two mixed numbers, so I have to make them both as improper fractions first. Then we multiply fractions. So we'll do this as we multiply 1 times 8, then we add 7. 1 times 8 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15 over 8. So this is the improper fraction for this mixed number. Multiplied by 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 over 3. Now you have 15 times 10 and 8 over 3. 8 times 3. Look here in the numerator, you have 15 and 10. And in the denominator, you have 8 and 3. Do you have any common factors between numerators and denominators? Yes, I have. Between 15 and 3, we can simplify it by dividing both of them by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. And 3 divided by 3 is 1. And 10 and 8, both of them have a common factor, or greatest common factor is 2. So divide 10 by 2, you get 5. Divide 8 by 2, you get 4. So now you multiply 5 times 5 equals 25. And down here you have 4 times 1 equals 4. This is in the simplest form, of course, but it is in the improper fraction form. So to make it a mixed number, we will divide 25 divided by 4. This is equal to 6, 24, and remainder 1. This means the answer is 6 whole number, and 1 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. Last example. The Hoover Dam contains 4.5 million cubic yards of concrete. The Grand Coulee Dam in Washington State contains 2 2/3 times as much concrete. How much concrete does it contain? So this means we're going to multiply 4.5 multiplied by 2 and 2/3. So you have two mixed numbers, you want to multiply them. So we will rewrite them as improper fraction first. This one will be 4 times 2, 8. 8 plus 1 is 9 over 2. Multiplied by this mixed number will be 2 times 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8 over 3. Again, can we simplify numerators with denominators? Yes, I can simplify the 9 with 3. I divide both of them by 3. 9 divided 3 is 3, and 3 divided 3 is 1. 8 and 2 also can be simplified by dividing both of them by 2. 2 divided 2 is 1. 8 divided 2 is 4. Now numerators are 3 times 4 is 12, and the denominator is 1, which is 12. So this means it is 12 million cubic yards. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please press like, subscribe to the channel, and you can also visit our Facebook page as shown here on the screen. Thank you. To the next video. Bye.